Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email blast using Nexus Prime. I'm going to use this practice as an example. So we are going to first get the HTML file and also the email header, which is what we're going to be using for this campaign. And then with Nexus Prime, every practice has their own unique URL. So this is how you're able to log in. So we're just going to go to their URL, and then you can log in using their username and password. And then click messaging, and then campaign. And then create custom template. Template name I'm going to use is the name of this campaign. And then the subject line is going to be the default one that I have for this one. So I'll copy and then paste it. And now we're going to add the HTML. So we'll open the file and then copy and paste it onto this HTML editor. It's just easier for me to use this one as opposed to trying to figure out every emailing system's HTML because they're all a little different. So I paste it in here. I like to change the font to this one because it just looks a little wider, a little bit more easier to read. And then we'll add the book an appointment link. So we'll go to their website. And get their schedule an appointment link. And just copy, click the link button, and we'll paste the link there. Target, and then we'll click new window so it opens up to a new window. And then we'll click source so that we can get the code. Copy. We'll go back to Nexus Prime and click source here and just paste it in here. Nexus is a lot like Web System 3, so you'll notice that it changes all the size of the font to all the same size, and it'll also remove the color that was in the font. So if you notice on the original, there's different color here and here, and then on the call to action. So in Prime, it shows just the call to action with the color. So I'm just going to highlight the title and just make it bigger, just so it can look a little similar to what it was supposed to look like. And then make this one a little bigger. And then we'll hit enter so we get a space, and we're going to add the image for the header here. So we'll upload it there and then send to server, and then click OK. And then if you need to change the size, you can change the size here, and then click OK. All right, and then we're going to add the logo. With Nexus, there's not a way of saving files on to a specific system. You just have to upload everything all over again. So I'm going to save their logo and then upload it here. We'll upload, and then where's the logo? And then send it to server, then click OK. And we're going to add the link to their homepage. Target, new window, and then click OK. Now that is a little too big, So I'm going to just double click and then see how it looks. That looks a lot better. So once we add the logo, I'm going to add some space to the bottom so that I can add the footer. So I'm going to use the footer that we have at the bottom of the website, which is here. So we'll copy, paste, and then change the font to match. And then there's a space needed here, space needed here, space needed there, and then we're going to link the link because not every time it's clickable. So we'll click link, target, and then have it open to a new window. So the link is already there, so we don't need to add the link. And then we'll click OK. So once you're done here, you click Create Custom Template. And then we're going to view the template now. So we will click Template Type and then click Custom. So this one is Diabetes Yearly Exam, so it's right here. So you'll just click on it. It has a subject line there, and then click Preview. And it shows you a preview. You can click the logo to check the link. You can click here, check to make sure it goes to the right place. And then make sure this one is linking too. Good. So I feel like this is still a little too big. So I'm going to make it a little smaller. So the way we have to make it a little smaller, we have to edit the template. So we're going to click Cancel. Go back to Custom Templates. And then click here to edit this template. And then we'll double click. Let's try 500. And then once you create the template and you edit the template, you can preview it. So that looks a lot better. So we're going to save. And then click Templates here. Go back to Custom. And then we'll click here again. Preview it if you need to preview it once more. And if you need to send a test email, you can do it from right here. Or if you're ready to send, just click Save and Continue. If you need to send to a specific set of patients according to age or gender, you can do that here by clicking Add Condition. And you will click Save and Continue. And then here is where you can either schedule or you can send it now. And that's how you send emails using Prime Nexus.